Sports fans, how you doing today? Beautiful day in southern Michigan. I'm here with my son-in-law Dan. We're starting a hike on the Pinckney Waterloo Trail. It's going to be awesome today. We're going to have a great time. It's blue skies, not too cold, not too hot.
No,
it's
perfect.
Really going to be great.
Yeah.
I think we're going to have a good time. What do you think?
I think so.
I'm looking
I think
forward
we got
to it.
some good hills for you.
Yeah.
It's going to be about 13 and a half miles. We're going from the Baldwin flooding area to Parkland and South.
Oh, you're going to test me today, huh? You're going to test me, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We got to get him in shape. He's got the PCT in less than a month.
Training hike for the PCT, yep.
All right.
Getting going.
He's getting hot. He's heating up here. He's getting serious now. The jacket's coming off so that we can start hiking at breakneck speed. Breakneck.
Breakneck. Because that's what you want to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to do breakneck speed.
All right, well, we got about 11 miles to go.
So what you got for lunch, Mike?
Here you go. Want some almonds?
Almonds.
Here you go.
That is a small bag of almonds.
Here, you want some jerky?
Ooh,
Oh, here we go. This is gonna...
that looks good. Oh, what is that? Oh, the old Snickers bar. More almonds? No, this is oh, okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, very good. Excellent. On our Waterloo Pinckney hike. Mike's still hanging in there.
He's
Technically,
trying to kill me.
Yep, I did try to kill him a couple times, but he survived.
Yeah.
So, we have a couple questions for you, Mike.
All right, go ahead, shoot.
Less than 1 month away from the big hike.
26 days out.
Yeah, you feeling ready?
I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little scared. I got some nerves in my stomach about it, but I feel like I've done a lot of work to prepare. I've got a lot of miles in this winter hiking, and I've got my gear pretty well dialed in. I've got my resupply schedule dialed in. Pretty ready, pretty set to go, really. So
logistically, you're set.
Logistically, I'm set, yeah.
Physically, you've been putting in the work?
I've been putting in the work physically. I started off this winter on a treadmill, and then as the weather got better, I switched to outside. And that's what this hike is too, right? This is a training hike for us, so and it's a good one. So yeah, I think I'm about as prepared physically as I can be. Now mentally, we'll see.
So that's where you're weak. It's mentally weak, is what you're saying.
Yeah, I have a lot of anxiety about it.
Yeah.
I'm really stepping outside my comfort zone and going outside the box. And I'm really looking forward to meeting new people. I'm a little nervous about being out on my own. I'm really nervous about stream crossings.
Stream crossings?
Yeah. Those kinds of things, but it'll all work out. Now I'm going to be fine, and it's going to be a great adventure. I'm really looking forward to it.
Heck yeah. I'll be joining Mike at the, was it Tehachapi? Tehachapi trailhead to Onyx. So that should be fun. That's going to be at the end of June, beginning of May, if Mike's still on schedule.
The end of June, beginning of May.
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't work. The end of May, the beginning of June.
The end of... Lauren will edit that out.
Dan's been hiking along.
I thought you were hiking the PCT in reverse, so I was confused.
Yeah, I think you and I are going to be doing a desert section. I think it's about 50, 75 miles, something like that. From Tehachapi to Onyx, and that'll be a great time. I'm really looking forward to it. It'll be fun to be with somebody, be with family, after being out on the trail for 400 miles or whatever it is. So it'll be good. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, I can't wait to see kind of what shape you're in at that point.
I'm going to be a chiseled piece of leather by then. I'm not going to be the plump old man you see right now.
Well, good deal. We are making good progress here, so you'll be nice and ready to go. All right, Mike, what'd you think of the Waterloo Pinckney Trail?
Well, I'll tell you what, Dan. That's an awesome run or walk. It really is. A lot of ups, a lot of downs. Beautiful country. It's blue skies. It's beautiful out. It's nice. About 55 degrees or so, and that was a great hike. I mean, it really.
We killed it. We did.
We did well, I think.
Yeah, about 6 hours, 20 minutes.
It's a good prep hike for the PCT, I think.
13 and a half miles we went, 2,000 feet of elevation. So yeah, hopefully that gets you in the spirit.
Definitely better than just walking flat in Ohio. So it's
Yeah.
good. Thanks
Excellent.
for the walk, man. I appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for joining me.
Yeah, I had a good time.
And maybe next time we see you, it's going to be on the PCT, huh?
On the PCT.
All right.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys out on the trail. Bye.